Congratulations, you have unlocked the next level of earning money from YouTube. Now you can get money when someone watches your video from ads. Let's see how to set it up on YouTube so you won't lose a cent. Go to the Earn tab in YouTube Studio, and you will see a button saying you can start earning money. Click it, then scroll down to find the part about earning from ads. Click Get Started, then you'll get to the page for ads. Click Turn On. Now you have the terms for the partner program, and you need to read them and check the box to agree to the terms. Then click on the button to agree to the terms, and you'll get a window to review your ad defaults. You can click Finish later, but then you won't get money from ads on the videos you already uploaded, so it's better to do it now. It takes a minute to finish, then click Next. Now you have the question of whether you want to monetize all the content on your channel. If you do, click Monetize All. You'll go back to the ads page in the Earn tab. If you want to block some ad categories, click Manage. It will open the global settings of YouTube Studio. Go to the next tab, Sensitive Categories. You'll see different categories. If you're not sure what a category means, you can see the description by hovering over the exclamation mark. On the right side of the category, you have the option to block or unblock it. That means ads in those categories won't show on your videos. You don't have to change anything. Just be aware that you can control the categories of ads showing on your channel. If you changed anything, click Save. Now you're not finished yet. If you want to get more ads on your Shorts videos, you need to go back to the Earn tab. On the home page, you'll see the option to enable Shorts ads, but you can also find it in the Shorts ads tab. Click Start. Either way, you'll get to the same page. Now click Turn On. Again, you have the terms you need to agree to. And that's it for Shorts. You have another category for ads, and this is for education. Click on that tab in the Earn tab. It's on the right side. Again, you have the terms you need to agree to, and now you are starting to earn money from ads. You will see the money you earn in the analytics only after 2 days, because it takes time to calculate the money. Let's see how to upload a video after you get monetized, because now you have some extra steps that you didn't have before. Upload a video. The first page is the same. Then, on the next page, you need to mark if you want monetization on. If you click on it, it will open another option to add mid-roll ads. This works only on videos that are longer than 8 minutes. YouTube can add the ads wherever and whenever they want, but you can control a bit where in the video it's going to show. I feel that YouTube knows better than me when the best time to put the mid-roll ads is, so I don't bother to change it, but you can click on the settings and change the position of the ad breaks. The next page is where you declare that your video doesn't contain any of the listed categories. You have to say if you do, because YouTube needs to set ads that are friendly for friendly videos. If you declare something that's not true, you might find yourself waiting for YouTube to manually check your video each time. If you don't have any of those categories, scroll down and mark the checkbox that says your content doesn't contain any of them. On the right side, you have a button to submit this. YouTube will still check to confirm that your video really doesn't include that kind of content, but you must click the button before you can move on with the upload. After that, you'll get to the page where you can set the end screen and cards. If you have a store set up, you'll also see the option to add products to your video. On the last page, where you choose how to publish your video, you'll see an extra option to publish the video only for members if you set up memberships. You can also choose which membership level this video is for. You can schedule the video, and here you'll find another option, show the video only to members until a specific date and time, and then it becomes public again. These are the settings that change when you have monetization. When you click Publish, YouTube might tell you that the checking isn't finished yet. If the video has problems, it won't show ads. If you publish it immediately, you risk getting demonetized. If your video has music in it, it's better to wait until the check is complete, so you can fix any copyright claims before it goes live. If that's the case, you can save the video as unlisted or schedule it. Before it publishes, go back and check if there's anything wrong that could make the video get demonetized. If needed, you can send the copyright certificate during the claim process and wait before publishing so you can earn money from the start. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.